This fantastic 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This two-door truck has fine cloth seats, and is equipped with a responsive 3.7-liter six-cylinder 12-valve engine, a fluid 4-speed automatic transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. Its electronic features include an MP3 player, an audio system with an AM/FM radio and a CD player which can read MP3s, and a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with privacy glass on all windows, a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system and 4 disc brakes with 2 ventilated discs. Call or come by today to arrange a test drive.